Are you having problems sending a message that only you and the person you're sending it to would understand? Then encrypting the message is the solution for you. Encrypting a message is the use of a secret code that only you and the person you're sending it to knows. Cryptography is the study of writing and solving secret codes that are used for secure communication. Codes have been used by politicians, spies, and countries at war to prevent their enemies from knowing what they are up to. Cryptography has been through numerous phases of evolution. Early ciphers in cryptography were designed to allow encryption and decryption manually, while those which are developed and used today are only possible because of the high computational performance of modern machines. Our cipher is called the Grapheme Summation Cipher. From the name itself, it means the summation or sum of graphemes, or a unit of a writing system, such as a letter. As what a cipher should be, our cipher is complicated if you do not know how to use it. Our cipher uses both letters and numbers. To encrypt and decrypt, a certain number is assigned to a letter depending on the given key. There is also a letter pairing in the cipher, and soon after, the arithmetic process of addition would be needed. As each letter has an integer assigned to it, the integers are like values that the letter have to be added to get the secret or coded message. So in this video, let us explore the Grapheme Summation Cipher. You will know how to use the cipher in encrypting and decrypting the message. Listen and watch well, as there will be 2 encryption processes and 2 decryption processes using the Grapheme Summation Cipher.
Hi, I'm Julie Main, and I'll be showing you an example of encrypting this cipher. The detailed steps of the encryption process. Step 1. Make a table consisting 2 rows and 26 columns. Step 2. Assign each letter of the English alphabet with integers 1 to 26, depending on the key given. Example, if key is equal to 5, then the 5th letter of the English alphabet will be assigned to integer 1, while the next letters will be assigned to the next numbers. Step 3. Using the table made, encrypt the message by using 2 letters, which if added, the integers assigned to the letter would equal to the integer assigned to the corresponding letter of the message you want to encrypt. However, if the letter you want to encrypt is the letter assigned to integer 1, just put 1 as your encryption. Repeat the process until the letters of the message is encrypted.
Hello everyone, I am Angel May, and I'll be showing you an example of encrypting this cipher. So, for what Julie did, let's also make a table consisting of 2 rows and 26 columns. Step 2. Assign each letter of the English alphabet with integers 1 to 26 depending on the key given. If the key is equal to 4, then the 4th letter of the English alphabet will be assigned to integer 1, while the next letter will be assigned to the next number.
made, encrypt the message by using two letters, which, if added, the integers assigned to the letter would equal to the integer assigned to the corresponding letter of the message you want to encrypt. However, if the letter you want to encrypt is the letter assigned to integer 1, just put 1 as your encryption. Repeat the process until all letters of the message is encrypted.
Hi, I'm Krisha and I'll be showing you the process of decryption through this cipher. Step 1, we will going to make a table consisting of 2 rows with 26 columns. Step 2, assign each letter of the English alphabet with integers 1 to 26 depending on the key given. So this is the alphabet and the integers from 1 to 26. Step 3. Pair each letter. If the encryption is the integer 1, the decrypted letter will be the letter assigned to it. So this is the paired letter comes from in this table.
Step 4. Using the table made, decrypt the message by adding the assigned integers of the two adjacent letters or the pair you have made. Step 5. Once you have the sum of the two integers, look for the corresponding letter of the integer in the table you have made and continue the process until you have decrypted the whole message.
Hi, I'm Michaela and I'll be showing you an example of description through this cipher. Steps of decryption process. So step 1, make a table consisting of 2 rows and 26 columns. So next is step 2. Assign each letter of the English alphabet with the integers from 1 to 26 depending on the key given. So we're going to assign the per columns of it like this from letters and then from 1 to 26. Next is step 3. Pair each letter. If the encryption is the integer 1, the decrypted letter would be the letter assigned to it. So, pair the letters like this, like IP. Step 4. Using the table we made, decrypt the message by adding the assigned integers of the two adjacent letters or the pair you have made. The pair we have made is IP, MMPQRR, and so on. So these pair letters is the inter-assigned the summation that you find is here in this column. So like IP, the I stands or the integer assigned is 3. The P is 10. So add this like 3 plus 10 is equals to 13. And the pair letters next is the MM. The integer assigned is M is 7. So since the next number of the pair letters is 7, then add this like 7 plus 14 and so on. Step 4. Once you have the sum of the two integers, look for the corresponding letter of the integer in the table that you have made or we made. Continue the process until you have decrypted the whole message. Example, 13. The assigned letter of the sum of 13 is 1 is S. Find it here. Next is the 14. So, the assigned letter of the sum of 14 is T. Next is the 21. The assigned letter of 21 is A. And so on. Just find the equals of this under the table. So, the assigned letter of the sum is S, T, A, S, E, F, and E. So, after you finish that, decrypt the message of this. Like, stay safe, stay